Today, Saturday, and today's video, I'm gonna show you how to make aloe vera for the falling hair. 'Cause guys, before I have really a hair problem, many falling hair. I use aloe vera for as a shampoo. Then my hair is coming coming better. Yeah, then now I'm gonna show you. I want to share you how I make.
And now we start looking for our aloe vera.
So
Yeah.
first,
Yeah.
Over the hills and far from mine, she's waiting for love to be real.
Oh, so much.
it's for 2 weeks.
So many. That's all. Hund. Duck. What are you doing here?
Over the hills and far from mine, she's waiting for love to be realized.
So, and here we see the the product. Oh my god. It's yeah, it's okay. But not yet finished. Not yet finished. It must be more clean. Oh, I don't know.
So guys, finish. And the next step is blending, and you have to prepare this blender, this glass, this and that. Here is you have to. So guys, ito na yung finished product, the aloe vera, and the rest I put it here, the shampoo. Then guys, that's already good for 2 to 3 weeks that. And yeah, that's all guys. Lagay lang natin sa fridge. In the fridge. So this. Then after, you have to put it in the fridge guys para di mapanis. That's all. Matapos ng video na to, Gusto ko lang din i-share kung paano ko ina-apply yung aloe vera na ginawa ko. So, for me guys, ginagawa ko is ina-apply ko siya bago maligo. Lalo na pag walang klase yung anak ko. Binabad ko siya sa hair ko ng around 2 to 3 minutes hanggang 5 minutes. Then, after 5 minutes, saka ko siya binanlawan at saka ako maligo. At, pero guys, usually pag nagmamadali ako, like Monday to Friday, na may klase yung anak ko, so ginagawa ko na lang siyang shampoo. Binasa ko muna yung hair ko, then naglagay ko ng maliit na shampoo at hinaluan ko ng aloe vera, pure aloe vera, at 1 minuto ko lang siya binabad kasi usually kapag nagmamadali ako kasi kailangan ko ihatid yung anak ko sa school, so parang ginagawa ko lang siyang shampoo every day from Monday to Friday. And yeah, it's really helpful yun kasi yung falling hair ko is really hindi na balik na siya sa normal. So yun guys, so that's all guys, that's all for today, and I hope you enjoy watching this video, and I hope you learn something. And so that's all guys for this video. I hope you enjoy watching, and I hope you learned something, and don't forget to subscribe if you're, yeah, and just comment down below, and please like, and that's all. Thank you, bye bye, and don't forget to like, share if you want, and comment down below. And yeah, thank you for watching. See you on my next video.